working with Homzcraft was fantastic from start to finish. We had a vague idea what we wanted actually, but they were really able to make our vision turn into reality. They were very cooperative. Every time they tried to answer all our questions, we felt like we were really a part. Every time they were doing something, although we were not present in Bhubaneswar, but yeah, we felt like we are there. We were not having any idea actually what the interior process and design, especially in Bhubaneswar, we had no idea. ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଫିସ୍ ଯାଇଥିଲୁ, ସେ ବହୁତ ସାରା କ୍ୟାଟଲଗ୍ ଦେଖେଇଲେ, ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଚୁଜ୍ କଲୁ ଆଉ ଆମକୁ मॉडर्न प्लस ट्रेडिशनल भी दरकार थिला. एग्जैक्टली हमें जेमती चाहिलु they made it like that.
यूनिट बहुत बड़ा है. यूनिट पे फील सैटिस्फाइड. ଆଉ बाकी जहाँ चेंजेस हमें पार्टी पे कोई जो चेंजेस की आवश्यकता हमने कर सकते हैं और काम बहुत अलग कर सकते हैं. स्ट्रांग अच्छे सब
budget is also quite reasonable. हम budget भीतर ही फिट हैला. ओवर बजेट हमरा हैला नहीं. Budget is already happy and satisfied. These guys are very helpful, very approachable, very cooperative, very gentle also, very professional also. As the time grows, these guys will become more and more successful. I wish good luck for them. We are happy customer.